If you are experiencing your keyboard language switching unexpectedly in Windows 11, there is a straightforward solution within the settings. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button, and then select Settings from the menu that appears. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the Time and Language tab located on the left-hand side of the list. Click on this to reveal further options, and then select Language and Region. Now pay close attention here. While your display language is important, it is the primary language settings that often cause this automatic switching. If a secondary or other language lacks proper configuration, it can inadvertently take over. Therefore, it is crucial to check for any non-English language entries in this section. If you find any, simply click on that language and then choose the Remove option. Repeat this process for any other non-English languages that you do not intend to use as your primary input method. For instance, if you see Japanese listed and it is not your intended primary language, click on it and remove it. This action will prevent the system from defaulting to those languages for your keyboard input. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.